Good morning. I'm going to make a chocolate caramel nut pie. It's very simple, really easy to put together, and very good, very rich. So let's get started on Darlene's table. Okay, a 1/4 cup of water and 1 cup of sugar. This will go on a medium heat after we dissolve the sugar. Go on a medium heat and you will not stir. You'll swirl the pan around. Now, it took me about 10 minutes. That's going to vary, but when it gets to this color, after that, remove it from the heat. This is an amber color. Add the cream. Add 3/4 cup of the cream and keep stirring, but it's not on the heat. It is not on heat. Keep stirring. Keep stirring. Get all that mixed well and until it's no longer bubbling up. Now I'm adding the butter, and I'll add the semi-sweet chocolate. Stir, stir, stir until that's all melted and blended well. Then I'm going to add the nuts. I chose to use pecans. Love pecans. That's the Southern girl in me. And this pie is ready to go into the pie shell. Refrigerate this pie for 6 to 8 hours before serving. Now, I was worried that when it got cold, it was going to be a hard pie, but it's not at all. It is quite delicious and so easy to make. Chocolate caramel nut pie. As I said before, I was afraid the texture of this pie was going to be stiff or hard, but it really wasn't. It was soft and chewy while the pecan provided a little crunch in each bite. Of course, we all know chocolate caramel with nuts has always been a great combination, and that stands true in this pie as well. Well, this pie has quickly become one of my all-time favorites. So if you want to make this pie, then go to darlenestable.com, find the recipe with all the ingredients. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, give us a like, consider subscribing. That way you can keep up with what's going on right here on Darlene's Table.